2026 Nokia 235 4G arrives is a refreshing reminder that simple phones still have a strong place in a fast-moving digital world where smartphones dominate everyday life, but not everyone wants complexity or constant notifications. This device focuses on reliability, comfort, and long-lasting performance while delivering essential connectivity through modern 4G networks. Designed for users who appreciate classic design with practical features, the phone offers a familiar keypad layout and a durable build that feels secure in the hand. It blends nostalgia with present-day expectations, giving people a dependable companion for calls and messages without the distractions of heavy apps and endless scrolling. At first glance, the design highlights Nokia's timeless style with a compact form that fits easily in pockets or small bags, making it ideal for daily use and travel. The body feels sturdy and balanced, reflecting a tradition of durability that many people associate with older Nokia models that lasted for years. The keypad provides comfortable spacing for easy typing, allowing users to send messages quickly and dial numbers without frustration. The display is bright and clear enough for reading texts, checking contacts, and navigating menus, while the lightweight structure ensures that holding the phone for extended periods never feels tiring or awkward in any situation. One of the standout elements of the 2026 Nokia 235 4G is its reliable connectivity through 4G support, allowing users to enjoy clearer calls and faster basic internet access for essential tasks. This means smoother communication with family and friends, as well as the ability to browse lightweight web pages when necessary. The device focuses on delivering stable signal reception in areas where smartphones may struggle with battery or performance issues. For users in rural regions or those who prefer a dependable backup phone, the strong network compatibility ensures that staying connected is always possible without worrying about constant charging or complicated settings. Battery life is a major advantage of this phone, providing extended usage that can last for days on a single charge depending on how it is used. The efficient system and simple interface reduce power consumption significantly compared to smartphones, making it perfect for travelers, workers, and anyone who values reliability over flashy features. Charging is straightforward and quick, allowing the device to be ready whenever needed. Long standby time means the phone can remain in a bag or pocket for extended periods and still be ready for calls or messages, offering peace of mind to users who depend on consistent communication throughout their daily routines. Entertainment features on the Nokia 235 4G bring a touch of fun without overwhelming the user. The device includes a classic music player and radio options that allow people to enjoy their favorite tunes and stations on the go. There is also a simple camera that can capture everyday moments when needed, making it possible to document memories without carrying a larger smartphone. The phone supports expandable storage for music and files, ensuring that users can keep essential media accessible at all times. These features provide just enough variety to make the phone enjoyable while maintaining its straightforward and efficient design. The interface is designed for simplicity and ease of navigation, making it accessible for people of all ages. Clear menus and responsive buttons allow users to move through settings, contacts, and messages quickly without confusion. This simplicity is especially helpful for older users or anyone who prefers a distraction-free device that focuses on communication rather than constant notifications. The phone supports basic apps that enhance usability without slowing down performance, ensuring smooth operation every time it is used. This balance between functionality and simplicity is what makes the device stand out in a crowded market filled with complicated alternatives. Durability remains a core strength of the Nokia brand, and the 2026 Nokia 235 4G continues the tradition with a build that can handle everyday wear and minor drops without serious damage. The materials used in its construction feel solid and dependable, reinforcing the idea that this is a phone meant to last. For users who work in demanding environments or need a reliable secondary device, this level of toughness adds confidence and convenience. The phone is designed to handle daily challenges with ease, making it a trustworthy companion whether at work, at home, or on the road in any kind of environment. Affordability also plays an important role in the appeal of this phone, as it offers practical features without the high cost associated with modern smartphones. This makes it an excellent choice for students, seniors, or anyone looking for a secondary device that can handle calls and messages without unnecessary expenses. The value it provides lies in its reliability, long battery life, and ease of use, which are often more important than advanced features for many users. By focusing on essential functions and dependable performance, the phone proves that simple technology can still deliver a satisfying and useful experience for everyday communication needs. Security and privacy are naturally supported by the phone's straightforward system, reducing exposure to complex software issues or unwanted data tracking often found in advanced devices. The simplicity of the operating environment means fewer distractions and less risk of unwanted applications running in the background. This makes the device appealing for users who prefer a more controlled and private communication experience. Whether used as a main phone or a backup option, the Nokia 235 4G offers a sense of trust and reliability that is difficult to find in many modern gadgets that prioritize features over stability and long-term usability. The 2026 Nokia 235 4G stands as a reminder that technology does not always need to be complicated to be effective and enjoyable. It offers dependable performance, clear communication, and a comfortable design that supports everyday needs without overwhelming the user. From strong battery life to simple entertainment options, it provides a balanced experience that suits a wide range of lifestyles. If you appreciate reliable phones that focus on what truly matters, this device is worth considering. Stay connected, enjoy simplicity, and remember to subscribe to the channel for more updates and insights about upcoming devices and technology trends.